Okay, working on the F-Series Honda engine right here, and just taking off the distributor. Before you take off the distributor, though, it's always a good idea to mark it. So I just took some nail polish right there and marked it before I remove it. You can also use like a whiteout, or some guys use a chisel and just take the chisel and put it right there and smack it real quick. You just want to make sure that when you reinstall it, that the timing is dead on. Also, one thing, once it's removed, as you can see right here, these two teeth right here, they're a little bit off center, so there's only one way that it'll actually go in. So don't worry about being 180 out, but if you just want to make sure that the timing marks, or the timing is dead on, just mark the distributor before you take it out. Also, it's a good idea, this seal right here, that seal typically leaks, so go ahead and get yourself a new one and replace that, because you'll have oil residue all throughout here. So just want to let you guys know, mark the distributor before you take it out.